Yeah, a lot has happened for sure, Kevin. Before Ivan Adams was even brought into the courtroom here at Caddo County, his court-appointed attorney, Mitchell Solomon, asked the judge to issue a gag order in this case, which the judge approved. Now, cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom today, but I was in there, so I want to break down exactly what happened. Now, Adams walked in. He was wearing an orange jumpsuit. He did have on handcuffs. He sat in a chair looking very stoic, very emotionless. He looked around the courtroom. There was only about a dozen people in there before he was called to the bench. Now, the judge read Adams his charges: first-degree murder, child abuse, and 1 count of child neglect. Judge David Stevens then asked Adams if he understood the charges, to which he replied, "Yes, sir." That's when the state asked for no bond, saying the nature of the charges and the fact that Adams was arrested in Arizona is reason enough. And the judge denied bond. Now, both the state and Adams' attorney signed off on the gag order, stating there is reasonable likelihood of prejudice to both the state and the defendant right to a fair trial without a gag order in place. It also says law enforcement, courts, counsel from both sides are not allowed to comment to the media, reporters, or make social media posts regarding this case. Now, there's no set time so far as when is this gag order will be lifted, so it could be months before we could hear Ivan Adams recount as far as what happened to little Athena Brownfield. Now, his wife, we've told you this earlier, Alicia Adams, was told investigators that her husband killed little Athena on Christmas Day, then buried her body in Rush Springs. Of course, Alicia Adams now facing charges of child neglect in this case as well. We do know Ivan Adams' next court date is set for April 27th. Live in Anadarko, Adria Goins, Oklahoma's News 4.